Good morning. Good morning. Happy spring break 2025. There's mom. Happy spring break.
Thank you.
Oh.
We're in California, we're supposed to do this.
So we arrived yesterday, but we had a mishap with all 3 of my camera batteries being dead and not having the time to charge them because we were traveling. So we started the vlog today and we're here until Saturday. It's currently Monday morning, 9:29, and I woke up a tiny bit sickly.
Don't tell anyone. Don't say it out loud.
I take it back. And what's our plan for today? Today is really nice, so I think we're gonna go to the beach.
We're gonna walk down to the coffee shop and have a bakery item and a coffee.
Yeah, and then we're gonna walk back.
Then we're gonna walk back and go to the beach.
And go to the beach.
Hopefully it's nice.
It is, it's really sunny. It's supposed to rain tomorrow and Wednesday.
And Thursday.
Only partially. Get that hair out of your mouth.
I can't tell.
You always got a hair in your mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
That's horrifying.
Yeah, I know. We're in the cutest little Airbnb known to mankind. It's so cute. I'll have to give you a little Airbnb tour later. Right now it's messy. I should have done that yesterday, let's be honest.
Oh, you can use my footage.
Your Snapchat footage? We're just here. We have really no plans.
I feel really boring right now.
This is the state of my hair. I went to bed with it wet.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You're so cute. Oh.
I look like I belong in the 80s.
You belong where?
In the 80s.
In the 80s.
Like if I tuck my hair behind my ears, it looks like a mullet. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do about this. Maybe I'll just embrace it.
Oh, yeah. I think that shows a lot of self-confidence. Definitely.
Wow, so she thinks it's ugly.
No.
Mom's putting her face cream on.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Goodness.
Guys, look at what I did with my hair. Can you see it? What do you think? Mama forgot her tissue. She has to go get her tissue. But isn't this just like perfect? It's so cute. My crazy hair. I can't like look up. And we're off. We have arrived to the French bakery. Are you so excited?
Yes.
We are home from our little walk. It was very lovely. Got a chocolate croissant at that little bakery. That's very good.
Is it?
UV is like 5, and so guess what I'm doing? Sitting outside. You on this plant. Sorry, plant. Or not. I need my sunglasses are in the car. Yes.
See, now you'll let me be your mother.
Yeah. Turn my chair around.
Oh, yeah, the sun's there.
It's a straight shot of my cooter. Do you like my swimsuit?
Yeah, it's really cute. I think what's going on with the back of it. They forgot to sew some material back there. You got a small size.
Guys, my mom is so mean.
Yeah, I'm so mean.
Now this is what I call the life.
What? Oh.
I mean, really, truly. This is very nice and good.
What I realized after looking at your filmings of me, I'm still wearing my socks.
What?
I need to throw away all of my old life clothes.
That's what I did. I don't have a single piece of article of clothing from Oregon.
You don't?
I don't think so. So we've been laying in our cute little patio area for like 2 hours, and it's been very lovely. Excuse me, but now we're getting a little bit starvation. We're getting a little bit starvation, so we're gonna go get some food. And I am definitely a little sunburnt.
Motate.
Okay.
Do you want to sit at the table? You're so used to sitting on your bed for everything.
Yeah, I like sitting on bed. Okay, we just got home. We're getting our sandwich. This thing is huge. That looks really good. Very nice, very good. Well, update guys, my mom gave me hers. Test. Once again, I was wondering why. I was like, this isn't sourdough, but okay. Oh. Very yummy. Yumsters. Hello. Happy Wednesday from the sickliest little sickling ever. So it's currently Wednesday. Last time I filmed it was Monday because yesterday we literally did nothing. I slept all day because I'm so sick. So this is not the spring break I was planning on having, but whatever. Today I'm feeling an incy bit better, and so we're gonna make the most out of the day. It's the first day I've been able to look presentable to the world. So I think we're gonna go to Chamberlain Coffee, like the little coffee there. Whoa. Okay, words. We're gonna go to the Chamberlain Coffee store that opened a month or two ago. My mom and I are both very intrigued by that. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna do some other small things, and then probably come home and crash once again. I can't believe I'm sick. I literally am so annoyed about it. I hate being sick. I'm like, have this terrible head cold. I'm just like sleepy, and I keep coughing and sneezing, and I've got snot galore. It's disgusting. I can't open it. Why isn't it opening? Definitely not what I was expecting this trip to be. And am I a little annoyed? Yeah, but you know, what are you gonna do about it? There's literally nothing you can do, and so at least, you know, I don't know, guys. I don't think there's a positive spin I can put on this one this time. It could be worse. I could be throwing up. I could be... That's all I can think of right now. I'm so tired. I'm also breaking out, which is really good. Not really sure where that came from, or... We went to Whole Foods yesterday and I got this juice. Evolution Fresh. It's a Mighty Watermelon. So I want to try it. Tastes exactly like a watermelon. Pretty good. This vlog is gonna be so boring because half of the time I'm gonna be asleep. Literally, I slept literally all day yesterday. Or I guess I didn't sleep all day. I just laid in bed all day. I took a really long nap though. I think we went to bed at like 8:30. Also, the self-tan on my neck disappeared. So that's good. It was also like rainy all day yesterday. So talk about luck. But you know when you're sick and you just feel so ugly and gross, and so you're like, I'm gonna get ready. That's what the vibes are right now. But the more I put makeup on my face, the more disgusted I get by the fact that I have makeup on my face. So very interesting to see how long I last out in the world before I have a panic attack. I need to just leave the house. We just need to leave the house and get me out in the world for a second, if that's even freaking possible. I wish yesterday it could have at least been sunny and warm, because then I could have slept in the sun. I feel like I'm just speaking gibberish to the camera right now, and it's like, why are you telling us this?
Oh my god. Last night, you burped like continuously for an hour. I couldn't believe what was happening.
I did not.
There's got to be a medical problem. Okay, I'm throwing my bangs out. I am just gonna do it.
Okay.
I can't handle it anymore.
Okay. Oh gosh, that was a big fleckle.
I don't really want to put liquid or cream on my face.
Okay.
However, I do have powder foundation that I really like. It's a powder that you go like this, and it gets you some powder.
Okay, well, what is it? Who's it from?
Oh, Smashbox. They probably don't even make it anymore. That's what happens. You find your favorite thing, and a couple of years go by, try to go get it again, and it's like, oh, we don't make that anymore. We discontinued it. They say, you look how cute. I mean, cute. It's very cool.
We're at Chamberlain Coffee'd out. I feel like I'm dying. Okay, so far away. Okay, hey guys, I got 2 drinks because obviously I had to try a matcha and I had to try a coffee. First thing first is I got an iced vanilla latte. Wow, that's really good. And that's not me just saying it's good because it's Chamberlain Coffee. That is actually a very good iced latte. And I've tried a lot in my lifetime.
What kind of milk did you get?
Oat milk. Next we have a strawberry matcha. Very excited about this. Oh my gosh, that one
really
is
good.
10 out of 10. Very good. Wow. That is very good. Okay, Mom's turn. What did you get?
Salted pistachio with oat milk. Hot.
A latte.
Yeah, latte.
Oh.
I think pistachio might not be the way to go.
Uh-oh. It's strained.
I can tell the coffee's really yummy though.
We're coffee experts, by the way.
Foam action, really good for oat milk.
Yes.
It's good. I would go again.
Okay, good. I want to try the pastry now.
Hopefully your camera isn't like all jiggly because I'm freezing.
This trip has turned out to be craziest thing ever. I also got a chocolate croissant. Very good, very yummy. I wish they had this in Utah. At Emma Chamberlain, open one in Utah, please. Thank you. Yeah, I just need a nap really bad. Please let me take a nap. My birthday's in 2 months, and one of my favorite things to do is remind my mother.
So thoughtless.
I'll be 20 in 2 months. 20. I won't be a teenager anymore.
I want you to stay a teenager.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So it may or may not be Friday, Thursday, Saturday? It's Saturday. And I did not vlog Thursday nor Friday because we didn't really do anything. We didn't do anything. We went to the Grove on Thursday, but I was deathly ill. And then Friday, we literally did not do anything. We left the house twice, once in the morning for Starbucks and once in the evening to get in and out. And we laid in bed all day. My mother got vertigo and threw up 5 times. So this trip has been interesting. I'm halfway doing my makeup. I'm getting ready to go to coffee. Okay, speak. We're getting ready because I'm gonna go meet up with my friend Gracie to get coffee, and I'm so excited because we've never met, but she feels like a best friend to me. So we're gonna meet up. Mom's gonna go explore. Angel of a mother is just my little Uber today, and she's gonna go explore, which is one of her favorite things to do. And then from there, we might go and see my cousin Summer. I think this trip has been cursed. I don't know who cursed us. If it was one of you guys that cursed us, just know that we will find out. We will. I don't know how in the world we got cursed, but so many things have happened on this trip that are just absolutely ridiculous and are not real. Like literally are not real. You guys are really low. But today is a great day because today is sunny. Mom doesn't have vertigo and she's not vertical. Mom is not having her vertigo. She is not throwing up. I am not coughing my brains out. I'm not sickly. Well, that's not true. I'm still a little sickly, but I actually have energy to do things. We have fun things planned today. It's our last day here. This trip was a complete flop. I had so many things like planned for this trip, and like I haven't taken a single Instagram picture this entire trip, which is crazy because the whole point of this trip was like content focused.
You know what, even if you weren't sick, it would have been impossible. I guess we could have taken pictures inside, but it was raining the whole time.
Well, it wasn't raining the whole time. She keeps saying it was raining the whole time. It rained like 2 days out of the week.
No, that isn't true. It rained. It started raining on last Monday.
It rained on Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
No, it didn't rain on Thursday. It was really sunny. Yeah.
The morning was, but then it started to rain.
But just because it was cold didn't mean we couldn't take pictures. But I felt like shit. I got the new little recipe, little whatever, but I am too scared to put it on top of my makeup. I put it on before I started filming on this camera, and they're super pretty, but they're definitely for like a no makeup day. Hello, where is, oh, I found it. But they're really pretty. Little fun fact about my mother and I, we might seem like we hate each other by how we talk to each other, but we don't. You're wondering where I got my sassiness? It is that woman over there. She's on the bathroom floor doing her makeup, but that woman over there is the sassiest girl I've ever met. She just pretends she's not, and she doesn't show it on camera because she's like, oh, I'm too perfect. But she's sassy. Don't even. I think I just need to give up on spring break and realize that it's not my time to shine. It ain't my time to shine. Mom, come finish your makeup with me. This morning when I woke up, you were like coughing in the shower. Yeah, and I thought you were throwing up. And I was like, oh no.
Because I took a drink of my little latte thingy. So my throat's like, what are you doing to us? This is so crazy.
There's lots of your throat. If anyone was wondering, I have to go back to school on Monday.
I have to work tomorrow like a big old fat dog. Like so, ugh.
I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna go to bed at like 3 p.m. Mama, why'd you turn the heat back up to a freaking 77?
I have to turn it up in order for it to come on. It's very strange.
Wow, look at this.
I have to do my most important makeup step that I forgot to do.
Look at this.
What? I have a lot of body in my hair.
You look like a ratchet, like emo teen.
Why? Because my hair is parted dramatically over on the one side.
And look at all of this. Why is this so bright? Oh, she just stole my coffee. The fuck?
I got it for you, a special. Yeah, we did.
No, you didn't.
Well, as an afterthought, I did. Can you do tight line today?
No, I don't like how it looks.
I think. What, on me?
No, on me.
I think it would look good.
Will you write in a book with you? 'Cause it wasn't
Hey guys! So, I'm in St. George editing this video right now. And that's all the footage I got of my spring break! So this might go on record as the most boring video I've ever produced. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm sure you still loved it, didn't you? Anyway, I love you all so much. So sorry this video was like nothing. I can't believe I got sick and it was raining and so many bad things. But that's okay. I love you all so much. You're my favorite humans. Oh my gosh! How did it do that? Aww. I'm filming this on photo booth. I didn't know I did this. Oh! This is awesome. I'm having a blast. Emma's here. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Have an amazing week.